I accepted the job as the Commissioner of Health in August of 2019, 4 months later. It was all hands on deck. I called on absolutely everyone to participate throughout New Jersey, and there were some that waited for the call. And then there were some that made the call. And Brian was one of those leaders that made the call and said, what can we do?
During the pandemic, we were tested. We set a very clear goal for our organization. The first was that we will never shut our doors to our community. The second thing is we would do everything in our power to protect our team members. And that drove us through the entire pandemic and continues today as we still are seeing COVID patients.
Brian shows up every day thinking about what we can do for our patients and for our team. When I think about the team members that we lost during that time, he spoke with every family to make sure that they had what they needed. And if they didn't, we provided it. And for that, he's such a courageous leader.
Brian is a successful leader because he has the ability to take the most complex healthcare issues and simplify them for the team and the board.
Throughout my career, I've always asked 3 simple questions when faced with anything complicated. The first is, how does this affect our patients? The second, how does it affect our team members? And then finally, how does it affect our numbers? And it's amazing to me that the clarity of those 3 questions has enabled us to do great things. I've never been afraid to engage, and I've never been afraid to take risks. Now, you gotta take smart risks, not irresponsible risks, but I think those 2 things have driven me engage and take risks.
The world has been a better place for his leadership. Healthcare has been a better place. He has taught all of us to always keep the end in mind and make sure that end starts with quality.
Brian, thank you for your leadership and many contributions to our field and to the American Hospital Association. You've pushed us to be bold, speak out, and always do the right thing. As a board chair, you always ask the right questions, and you are a great consensus builder. As someone whose team was at the epicenter of the battle against COVID, you provided great leadership, not only in serving your patients and protecting your community, but in shaping our strategies for relief, recovery, and rebuilding. And I personally benefited from our almost daily phone calls where you provided great advice and counsel. And when it comes to cybersecurity, you have been a great representative of the field before the federal government, ranging from the FBI to the Cybersecurity and Infrastructure Security Agency. Because of you, the AHA is a better organization and our field is stronger. We're proud to honor you and your career and present you with the 2024 Distinguished Service Award, the AHA's highest honor. Congratulations, Brian.